In this video, I will show you how to log into your Claude AI account. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now search Claude AI, then you can head over to claude.ai. But if you have the application, you can simply launch open the Claude app. Now you have a choice to make over here. You can either log in using your Google account or enter your email over here. This depends on the way that you created your account. If you created using your email address, go ahead and enter your email address over here. Then tap on this arrow. But if you used your Google account, then simply tap on continue with Google. Now go ahead and select your Google account or enter your Google account credentials. After you do that, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account. Now tap on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here you will find a couple of options such as new chat, chats, project, artifacts, and then you also have this gear icon to open up your settings. From here you can change your settings as well. So in this way you can easily log into your Claude AI account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.